Good morning, class. It's time to get started. I want everyone to look at these numbers I'm going to write on the board. I've got 8, 6, 3, 9, and 5. Who can put those in order from least to greatest?
3, 5, 6, 9, 8, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Good job. And what if we're trying to do it backwards? What if we want to do it from greatest to least? Go ahead.
8, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3.
Good job. Awesome. Now, who can give me an example of a fraction?
2/5.
Good job. And what does that represent?
Means 2 out of 5 whole parts.
Good. That's a good way to word it. Today we're going to learn how to compare and order fractions. Does anyone know what I might mean by this?
Fraction?
Yeah. We're going to compare fractions by their sizes as well as put fractions in order by their size. If your fractions have the same denominator, it makes it easy. We would only have to put the fractions in order of the numerators. Like if we're trying to put in order 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3, then they're already in order because we know if we're counting 1, it goes 1, 2, and then 3. But most of the time, they won't always have the same denominator. So to help you understand this, I've got fraction bars posted here on the board, and they're also on your papers that I've given you. The fraction bars are going to help us compare and order fractions today. So let's look at an example. We're trying to figure out which one is larger, 2/5 or 3/4. So look at your fraction bars, and who can tell me which one is bigger?
So there's 1, 2/5, and 1, 2, 3/4. So that's bigger, right?
4/5.
3/4.
3/4.
3/4? Good job. Don't you see how if you line the two up together, it makes it easier to tell which one's bigger?
Yes.
Awesome. So instead of just comparing, let's use the fraction bars to put fractions in order from greatest to least. We're going to do these fractions that I'm writing on the board. 3/12, 1/5, 5/8, and 2/3. So, how might we use the fraction bars to use this? What would we need to represent 3/12? How many of the 1/12 do we need? 3 of them, good. And how many of the 1/5 tiles would we need?
Just
5.
And how about to represent 5/8?
5.
5 of them.
And how about 2/3?
2/3.
2.
Good, okay. And so by doing this, which fraction is the smallest?
1, 2.
What was that?
2.
1/5.
Good job. And what's the next one?
1/12.
12.
Good
3/12.
job. And then what?
5/8.
5/8.
Good. And lastly, what is the biggest one?
2/3.
Good job. You guys are catching on great. Now, what if they give us the answer and ask us if it's correct or not? I'm going to say 3/10 is bigger, is bigger than 2/6. So look at your fraction bars and compare 3/10 with 2/6 and let me know if I'm right. Was I right saying 3/10 is bigger?
3.
No, is it not?
2/10.
Did I make a mistake? Oh no.
Yes.
So
It's smaller.
3/10 is smaller. Good job. And I want to do one more example before we get started on our activity. Which one is bigger out of 3/6 and 1/2? So how many of the 1/6 tiles will I need?
3 of them.
And how many of the half tiles will I need?
Just 1.
Just one, okay. And so 3/6 ends here and 1/2 ends here. What do we know about those two?
2, 1, 2, 2.
They're equal.
They're equal. Good job.
I know what equal means.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I hope so.
I learned it in my school.
Okay. So, now let's get started on our activity. Y'all are going to be paired into partners, and you will each get 6 pizzas. I've laid them out for you here. We've got a pizza split up into 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces, 6 pieces, and 8 pieces. So, let's do the first one together. First, you're going to get a worksheet. Here's your paper, and here's your paper. And you're going to see fractions on this worksheet. The fractions are going to represent slices of pizza that have been eaten, and you're going to use these pizzas that are on the table to figure out who has eaten the most pizza based on the fractions I've given you on your worksheet. And so like I said, let's do the first one together. So let's read it. Partner A ate 2/5 of a pizza, and partner B ate 4/6. Who ate more pizza? Okay, so if a partner A ate 2/5, how many slices was the pizza put into? 5, good. And so how many pieces of pizza did they eat out of the 5?
2.
Good, so we're gonna set those on the side as 2/5. And for partner B, they ate 4/6. How many pieces was that pizza split into?
6.
Good job. And how many did they eat? 4. So I need to take 4 pieces. So you can already see who might have eaten more. Which partner?
B.
Good job. Okay. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna let y'all split into your groups, and y'all are gonna do this on your own.
Okay. We have 5/8, and partner B ate 5/6. So we need the 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we need the 8.
Go ahead and help
slices.
her.
5, 8.
Your partner B, you gotta show her.
3, 4, 5. So which one ate more?
That one.
And
This
sometimes
one?
No, that one.
5, 6. B.
See, it's bigger than this one.
good job, okay?
So that one was
Mhm.
that one. Okay. And then the next one is 3/5.
3/5.
Three fifths, and then partner B ate 1/2.
Those are equal.
Now that one's 3/5 is bigger.
3/5.
Just a little bit.
Slice.
And sometimes
Just a little
you can put them over it,
Oh.
and it'll tell you
Okay.
even.
No.
Show you even more.
And 1/6. That's 1/6 and 3/8.
1/2.
Don't forget your names.
Don't forget your
1/6 and 3/8. Oh wait,
There's more to this one.
partner A 1/6 and shared 3.
So we've got 3 people eating pizza. So we just need to show how many each person ate. So
Oh,
partner A ate 1/6. How many did Bob eat?
1/6.
And then how many did partner B eat?
there we go.
Okay, so
Is that right?
what's the answer?